Mathematical formulas. In a previous exercise, we dealt with single calculations. Now we are going to use mathematical formulas that we all should know, or we have come across them many times at school. The way we are using those formulas is programming Excel simply. We are going to reserve a cell for a user to introduce any value, with a proper format of course, and Excel will give us back the result after applying the formula in an adjacent cell. So let's have a look at the sample. In a cell C3, a user can introduce any figure representing euros. Next to that cell, you've got the exchange rate between euros and pounds. So in the cell C4, we will introduce the formula that will turn the value in euros in C3 into its value in pounds, equal C3 multiplied by 0.84. Think twice how whatever value in euros we introduce in C3 is automatically converted into its equivalent in pounds. That happens while we insert in the formula the cell that contains the value in euros instead of value in itself. In the cell C10, the user can introduce any value of a circle's radius. In the cells below, we have programmed the different formulas related to diameter, circle's length, and circle's area. Have a look at how we have implemented the number p. We have used the Excel function p open and close parentheses, which give us back the number p with many decimals in order to be more accurate. We have also used another trick to raise a number to a power. Rather than multiplying by itself as many times as the power says, we have typed the circumflex accent before the power. That way, we are raising the number before the accent to the power which is right after. I want you to think one more time that we are using the cell code in the formulas instead of the value inserted in them. That way, if the user changes the value, all the formulas will react and recalculate automatically the new value. Finally, you will realize that there is another new Excel function facilitating the calculation of the hypotenuse. In the cell C23, we are programming Pythagoras formula. As we've had to use the square root, we will type the Excel function raíz open and close parentheses, introducing between the parentheses the value from which we want to calculate its square root. I mean, the reference of the cells that contain both legs' value. In the tables on the right, we have applied the same formulas to the values enclosed in the cells of the left. That way, we will train once again formats, dragging down results, edges and shadings, and the foremost aim of this exercise, formulas and Excel functions. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.